I am not waiting until Daytona to get that new Tundra on the track.
Hey, good night.
Commence phase 1. Time to secure the package.
Not in my house!
Go, 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 go.
Kill the lasers, I'll get us through the door.
Talk to me.
Hold on. I got you.
All right, the fuse box should be right behind this door. I found the Tundra. We have to take down the security. Which one is it? I'm not seeing it. I got it. Securing the package now.
You guys have got to be kidding me.
Guys, abort mission.
Oh, hey, Kyle Busch!
I told you guys we should have just called them.
Whatever. Get your helmets. You guys are gonna love this thing.